Noisy volume knobs, they crackle, they suck, they distort our sound more than what us metalheads want distortion. Anyways, we love it. How do you fix this? I'm going to show you how to do it for less than $20 at home. To be fair, I don't know how much they charge to actually replace the pots in your guitars. It's probably cheap, maybe not, I don't know. DeoxIT D5. This is what you want. It'll get the job done in a matter of minutes, and you don't have to worry about any long-term consequences or effects that other electronic contact cleaners might give. Now, the first step you're going to want to do is remove the plates. This gives us access to the pots. So here we have a better view of what we're looking at. So the pot here for my volume knob is going to sit right here, and we're going to want to spray is a small insert, a little hole spray right here in the back. It's going to sit right here. You're going to give it 1 or 2 good sprays. Now, if you can't find that small insert or that hole spray, you can also do this. It's going to be right there between the metal plating and the knob itself. So you're going to spray right there, give it a couple short bursts. Now, any excess we'll clean up. Here's another view a few minutes after using the can. As you can see, it dries up on its own, so if you did use a little too much, you could use a microfiber towel, a lint-free towel to clean up the excess. Otherwise, it's gonna dry up on its own. All right, ladies and gentlemen, moment of truth. All gone. Well, there you have it. Our clean connection is restored. No more crackling, noisy, static, distortion-y bullshit. So, pick this up from the store. It is preferred by ESP and used by many professional guitar techs, and it may just save you from needing to visit a guitar tech. Until next time, guys. Cheers.